How can I help you?
Let me see your license, please.
Sorry, what?
So this is an example of the 3-inch rule. Police really don't like it whenever you do that. And the reason why they do not like that is because when you leave it open, they can get probable cause. But how can they get probable cause, you say? Well, if your door is open, they can say, I smell weed. And if they felt the need to, they can just reach right on in and pull you out or open the door. It also makes sure that they're not able to clearly see through your window without searching. And a good search would be against your Fourth Amendment rights or liberties that you already had, but the Fourth Amendment afforded to you to make sure that they keep the government in check. I believe this guy's comment to be disingenuous. At least research before you say something is bullshit. Say the 3-inch rule is real because of videos like this.
Yeah. When's the last time you smoked marijuana, man? It's pretty strong coming out of your car, bud.
No, I believe that's.
You still got any left in the vehicle?
I don't smoke weed.
I mean, I can.
Emotional damage. You want some therapy?